Hello friends, I'm back, and as I promised in a previous video, I'm going to be sharing with you today the names of 10 different real estate investment trust companies that you can invest in, whose stocks you can buy, and they would make you a property investor without you breaking sweat. So talk to your neighbor and say, neighbor, neighbor, I am a property investor. I'm going to become a property investor with very little money. Let's do this. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Bulletproof Life. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ronke Odewumi, and I'm super delighted to have you here. As I mentioned earlier in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the names of 10 real estate investment trust companies that you can invest in to become a property investor. I'm not just going to be giving you their names, I'm going to be telling you a little about them, something about them to help you decide, to help you understand what they are and if you should be investing in them. But before we go into that, can I ask you, have you subscribed? No, have you subscribed? Are you genuinely my friend, or are you just here to grab what you can grab and get out? Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Please subscribe. Press the red button on your right to subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell so you can get notifications the next time I'm dropping nuggets. I'm dropping good things like I'm about to do in this video. So press the bell, darling, press the bell. And let's be proactive and press like on this video. Smash the like button for me, because you're going to love this video. You're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it, because I'm about to teach you how to become a property investor with small money. With £100, £200, you can become a property investor. You don't have to sweat. You don't have to go down the landlord road. You don't have to have anybody waking you up on a Saturday morning to come and fix boiler, to come and fix tap, to come and fix plumbing. You're going to sit in your house and your money is going to work hard for you, because I'm going to share with you the names of those real estate investment trusts so that you can start investing in them. So grab a piece of paper and a pen, because you're going to be taking notes. You know, I'm going to be sliding into my DM again and saying, Ronke, what's the name of the company? No, I'm going to give you the names in this video. I'm even wearing my glasses. I'm sure you've never seen me in glasses on this channel. Like my regulars, they've never seen me in glasses on this channel. But I'm wearing my glasses today because I need to be able to see you guys. I need to be able to see you, to see that you're taking notes. So let's get right into it. What are these real estate investment trust companies that are quoted on the UK stock exchange? There are 50 companies, you know, big ones that you can invest in, and they can make you a property investor. What are these companies? The first REIT, FTSE REITs, and I'm going to tell you about, is a company called Assura. Assura is a UK-based real estate investment trust company. This company is a primary care property investor and developer, and is specialized in the development of investment and management of a portfolio of primary care as healthcare, community, diagnostic and treatment buildings across the UK. Basically, this company builds hospitals and labs and things like that. This group owns and manages a portfolio of 625 modern primary healthcare properties, and if anything has money in it, it's primary healthcare, it's healthcare. The next one is Big Yellow Group. That's the second company. Are you writing it down? Big Yellow Group is a company that's engaged in the provision of self-storage and related services. I'm sure you've seen their signs across the UK. They provide secure and modern self-storage for home and businesses. This company operates a platform of approximately 103 freehold stores, including 25 stores branded as Armadillo Self-Storage. It owns approximately 14 Big Yellow self-storage development sites. This company's subsidiaries include Big Yellow Self-Storage Company Limited, Big Yellow Construction Company Limited, Big Yellow Holding Company Limited, Brico Limited, Big Yellow Limited Partners, and Big Yellow Battersea Limited. This is a company you want to invest in. People do storage and they are in business, and they have all these properties that you can become a part owner of, so that the next time you see a Big Yellow company sign, you know you're a part owner of Big Yellow. You own Big Yellow along with the owners of Big Yellow. You're what? You're a property investor. The third company I'm sharing with you is a company called British Land. British Land Company is a UK-based real estate company as well. They own and manage commercial property. That is the forte of British Land. This company owns London campuses and retail fulfillment assets throughout the UK. This company's segment includes offices. They own a lot of offices, retail, and the pricey, juicy Canada Water is owned by British Land. The retail sector where they own buildings include leisure, because it's often incorporated into retail schemes, things like gyms and things like that. They also own property in residential sector as well. Their portfolio includes campuses at Broadgate, Paddington Central and Regent's Place, which offers sustainable spaces in London. So if you're somebody who wants to own part of Canada Water, British Land is the company you want to invest in. The fourth company I'm going to tell you about is a company called Derwent London. Derwent London is a REIT that operates in Central London region. This company owns and manages a portfolio of approximately 5.7 million square feet of commercial real estate, predominantly in the Central London area. Their property portfolio includes investment properties, owner-occupied properties, trading properties. The company's properties are located in Central London, as in West End, Central London, West End borders, and generally the London city border area, with some property in Scotland as well. So you definitely want to be looking at Derwent London as a real estate investment trust to invest in. Another one for you is called Great Portland Estates. Now, Great Portland Estate, similarly to Derwent London, operates in Central London. This company owns and develops offices, retail and residential property, and their portfolio includes tenants from various industrial sectors. So they're not looking at individuals. Their tenants are usually companies in the retail, hospitality, leisure, technology, media and telecom space, professional services, banking and finance, corporate and government. So if you want to be a landlord to banks, you want to be a landlord to the government, you want to be a landlord to mighty companies, this is the company for you to look at. They have a portfolio of approximately 297 occupiers from a diverse range of industry, including approximately 44 buildings, over 32 sites. So this is a company you want to look at. Great Portland is a real estate investment trust that's worth considering. They are quoted on the stock exchange. They are massive and they are doing well. You want to look at them as an option to invest in as a property investor. Number 6 on my list is a company called Amazon PLC. Amazon PLC is a REIT as well. It owns and invests in shopping centers, developments and outlets across the UK and Europe. The company's subsidiaries include Grantchester Holding Limited, Amazon Company Secretarial Limited, Amazon Employee Share Plan Trustees Limited, and so on. So this particular company is heavily invested not just in the UK but in Europe as well. So if you are looking to become a property investor in not just UK properties, but you want to have property investment across Europe as well, then Amazon is a company you want to look at. It's a real estate investment trust you want to include on that piece of paper you are writing on. Number 7, Land Securities. Land Securities is probably one of the first real estate investment trust I found out and invested in. It's a holding company that buys, sells and manages commercial properties. The company's segments include Central London, regional retail, urban opportunities and soft skill sectors. They have a big property holding in Central London, which includes assets that are located across the whole of Central London. Their regional retail outlets include shopping malls and shops outside London and outlets. Land Securities is a REIT that's invested a lot in hotel assets and retail parks. Number 8, London Metric Property. London Metric Property is also a REIT and it specializes in property investment and development like all REITs do. The company is primarily focused on investing and operating various real estate properties, which include logistics companies, distribution companies, long income assets, retail parks, office and residential properties with approximately 16 million square feet under management. This is a company that has spread itself wide across a variety of sectors, which I think is a good thing. Another REIT for you to consider is a REIT called Primary Health Properties. Their name sort of gives them away. Is a REIT that is invested heavily in primary healthcare accommodation across the United Kingdom and Ireland. So we're talking about hospitals, we're talking about healthcare real estate, GP practices, and they do it on the long term. They do long-term leases backed by underlying covenants and things like that. The majority of their healthcare facilities are actually GP surgeries, with other properties led to NHS organizations. So they buy properties or build properties and then let them out to NHS organizations, NHS trusts, HSCs in Ireland. They build pharmacies, dental offices, and so on. Their property portfolio comprises approximately 513 primary healthcare facilities. So if you want to become a owner of hospitals, if you are somebody who wants to invest in the healthcare sector, this is a place for you to go. They acquire and develop property, manage it, rent it out, and just do a lot of asset management and financing. So definitely something you want to look at. Another one for you to look at is a company called Safe Store Holdings. Safe Store Holdings is a storage company that has approximately 178 storage spaces in 5 countries. Their portfolio in the UK cuts across London, Southeast, rest of UK. They have properties in Paris, they have properties in Spain. They have approximately 71 stores in metropolitan areas in Manchester, in Birmingham, in Glasgow, in Edinburgh, Liverpool, and Bristol. So Safe Store is definitely a company you want to look at. That brings me to the last REIT I want to share with you today, and it's called Segro. Segro, like a lot of the other REITs, is a UK-based real estate investment trust. This particular company owns, develops, and manages warehouse properties in the UK and in continental Europe. So again, this is the company that allows you to invest outside of the UK, the UK and the US. And its property coverage includes Greater London, Thames Valley, Northern Europe, Southern Europe, and Central Europe. Their portfolio includes warehouses, light industrial buildings, warehouses that are being used as data center for logistic operations, and these are concentrated in the UK, in France, in Germany, and in Poland. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I've shared with you now 10 real estate investment trusts you can be investing in, that you can type into your investment platform, and you can buy their stocks and shares, and you are automatically what? A property investor. You're what? Property investor. You're what? Property investor. You're what? Property investor. There are a lot of other REITs you can invest in as well. So these 10 that I've given you, they are not the be all and know all and everything. They are just an example. I've given you 10 names to get you started, to get you looking at real estate investment trust, so you can get on the property ladder through these companies. You don't have to go through the stress of becoming a landlord, trying to raise a deposit, trying to find the money, trying to reduce your tax bill. As I mentioned in my other video, these companies are tax exempt. They don't pay a lot of tax, because of the government wants them to be able to operate despite the number of rules and regulations that's been put in place for them to protect you, their investors. So these companies are heavily regulated and a great place for you to put your money. Just to mention very quickly, the fact that you are investing in REITs does not mean that your money is going to double overnight. We are not in a money doubling business. I just need to put that out there. These companies are going to grow your portfolio. They are going to grow wealth for you over a period of time. So don't start, shouting after 6 months, oh, I've only seen 3%, I've only seen 2%. Give it time. Give it time. Investment is a long-term game. Don't shake. Get into the market, invest your money in real estate investment trusts, and then chill. Wait for your money to grow, and come and buy me coffee when you've bought those real estate investment trusts and they've started performing. Come and buy me coffee. Come and buy me coffee. Tell your friends about this video. Invite them to watch it. Share it with them. Talk to them about real estate investment trusts. It's a great way to get on the property ladder. Especially now that the UK government has put a lot of rules in place with landlords, with having property, owning property, paying tax. It's such a hassle, such a lot of stress. And if you're like me and you like the soft life, you like the easy life, you want to make money but you don't want to die of stress, you don't like wahala, you don't like trouble, you just want to make your money easily, gently, while you are still doing your day job, you want that passive income, real estate investment trusts are a fantastic way to go about it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've liked hanging out with me. I hope you'll be back next Monday to hang out with me again. It's been a delight for me to bring you, this video, to come and talk to you about real estate investment trusts. Because this year we're investing. You get? We are making money. We're going to secure the bag. We're going to secure the bag. And this is how we're going to do it. So I'm going to keep coming back to you with investment ideas, with stocks and shares you should be buying, funds you should be investing in, what you should be looking at with your money, where you can put your money and expect return in a few years and things like that. If you have enjoyed this video, please drop me a comment. Let me know you enjoyed it. Don't be a silent friend, and then you see me at a party, or you see me at a hangout, or you see me somewhere, be like, oh, okay, I know you. Come and know me here. Talk to me. Drop me a comment. Show me some love. Like this video. Share it with your friends. Let's build this community. I love you here, and I want to keep coming, and you guys make me keep coming. So, guys, thank you very much. And if you're a regular, always commenting, always liking, always sharing this video, talking about me to your friends, I appreciate you. I love you. You're a star in my sky. Yeah, you bring me so much joy. You mean a lot to me. I care about you, and I'm grateful to you. Until my next video, you take care of yourself and keep living that bulletproof life. Bye bye.